So today I'll be showing you how you can share your Instagram story with only specific people so that only those specific people you choose can be able to see your Instagram story. Now, before you post your story, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right, and on your profile page, tap on the three-line button in the top right corner, and that should open your settings and activity. Now, under that, scroll down to the who can see your content section, and you want to go ahead and tap on close friends. So tap on that, and here you can choose the people you want to share your Instagram story with. Now currently I only have one person, but if I want to add, I can just go adding the people I want in my Instagram story, or rather the people I want seeing my Instagram story. So let's say I want to choose those people. And if there's someone specific you want to choose, you can even search for their name. You can just start typing usernames and you can be able to select anyone who you want to include in that list of people who you want to share your Instagram story with. And then you can tap on done. So you've basically edited your close friends list. Having done that, you are now ready to post on Instagram stories. So let's go to post an Instagram story, and let's for instance pick this as the Instagram story you want to post. So once you finish decorating your Instagram story with some text, stickers, music, filters, all that stuff, and when you're ready to publish, you will see two buttons. Now obviously tapping on this arrow will share to your Instagram stories, and everybody who can see your profile will see that Instagram story. But here we have the close friends option. So if you tap on that, it only shares that Instagram story with your close friends. Remember the ones in the list we just selected? Those are the only people who are going to see that Instagram story. Now, all Instagram stories shared to close friends will have a green circle around them. So that is basically how to share an Instagram story with only specific people. So you can see it right there, the green button, the green badge. And even after posting, you can add people to the close friends list. So for instance, if you've left someone out like this one, you can add them and then tap on done, and they'll now be able to see your Instagram story. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.